Today I'm going to be bagging and sealing and freezing some of my trail bologna that I made out of my deer meat. I made 2 5-pounders. That's about 2.5 pounds there maybe. So I made 2 of those, so 10 pounds total of deer meat. We smoked them for several hours, and now I have it all sliced up. Nice and sliced, ready to be packaged and frozen. But first I gotta make a bag. So you wanna have enough bag that's gonna fit your meat comfortably. So that should give me enough room there to seal it up. So we just push this down. When it lights up, press seal. And that takes a couple minutes to heat up and seal the end of the bag. In the meantime, I'm gonna sample a piece of this. Got a piece. Delicious. All right, good. All right, so this is done. Once that lights up again, it's ready. And put you down here for a second. Open up. And I'm gonna back my bag up. See, it seals right across there. Down here on this bar is where it seals. So I just retract it back up. This is where the cutter goes across here, this little green lever. So I wanna back it up so you're not wasting a whole bunch of bag. And then just slide that across, and it cuts your bag. That way when you back it up, you're not having a whole lot of waste. If you just slice where it is, you're gonna waste so much plastic, it ain't even funny. So anyway, now I'm gonna flip that over so the arch is facing downward. I'm gonna take my meat. Hold on there, folks. Put my meat in there. Let me see here. So I said my arch is facing downward on my bag. You want to put that in that little... Oh, the Hindi scammers are calling me, trying to sell me some fake... scam, refund scam. Every day, all day long, they drive me crazy. But I have learned Hindi in the meantime, so I can swear them in their own language. And they seem to enjoy that. All right, so seal that down. Set the mode for moist. Vacuum seal. She's pulling it down. That lights back up. Any second now. There, it's done. All right, now pull that out of there. Let's see if I can get this out of here without... All right, there you have it. The finished vacuum sealed product. You can either label that, or if you know what you got, you just throw it in the freezer like I do. See, I did all my, I got breakfast sausage done. I got sausage links done. I got, oops, packs of hamburgers. That way, it keeps it nice. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed and learned something.